Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to look at the power and the meaning behind the number 28. In numerology, the number 28 represents wealth and success. You will find that a lot of businesses are opened on the date of the 28th, or people that are born and their birthdays add up to the number 28. This can be shown in even the bid for the Euro 2028. The UK and Ireland are in their final stages of their bid to host the 2028 football Euros. A representative for the UK and Ireland bid for the Euros 2028 said that this would be the most lucrative Euros that there had ever been. Some of the richest people on the planet have birthdays that are on the 28th. 28 represents success and financial wealth. This also means that people that are struggling for money, they tend to find that money comes to them quite easily if their birthday falls on the 28th.
Like, for instance, when I say something like 28 is the number of wealth, okay,
right.
What is my backing? I could say Elon Musk is the richest man on earth, but that's just one person, even though he is. I can say Bill Gates is the richest guy who was the man last century.
Could be a coincidence.
Again, it could be. I could say Vanguard was founded 5/1/1975, 5/1/1975, adds up to 28. Now, listen, you guys can talk about Apple, you guys can talk about anything, but if you know what Vanguard is with their not billion, but $trillion, you understand they run the game. And Apple, the richest cash-rich company in the world, founded 4/1/1976. 4/1/1976 adds up to 28. Bill Gates, not Bill Gates. Steve Jobs, born 2/24/1955, adds up to 28. Invented it. So here's what, and again, I understand people can say it was Steve Wozniak, but he's the face of it.
Right.
Without him, it wouldn't be $1 billion company. That's just facts.
Right.
And by the way, the new guy who runs the CEO of Apple right now, Tim Cook, the 28 life path. So you can see this time after time after time.
The number 28 even extends to prestige exclusive watches, such as Rolex. Out of all the days in the month, you have to ask yourself, why did Rolex choose the number 28 on all their watches? Because they know that 28 equals success and wealth, especially in business.
Mr. Musk is born on the 28th.
Wait, what does 28 have to do?
28 is the number of wealth. So the richest people in the world are always born on the 28th. Last decade, the richest guy in the world was Bill Gates. He's born on the 28th. 28 is the number of wealth. It doesn't mean everyone who's born on the 28th is going to be wealthy. What it does mean is whenever someone born on the 28th needs money, it'll come to him.
I hope you enjoyed the content. Be sure to subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you all soon. Take care.